everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video we have the IPSY Glam Plus of the month of November. Here is the box. Let's see what it has inside. Let's see if I'd rather this one or the Boxycharm 2.0, which is the same price. And here is the theme of this month. Basically it says IPSY, very cute and nice orange colors for maybe fall kind of situation. We're getting into winter, but yes, it's still fall. So let's see, it says the box says discover yourself. The first product that it has is the Murant. This is a skin perfecting lotion. This is $40 and it says that this is good for hydrating your skin and it's perfect for skin that is prone to acne. It also helps with the redness. And here is the product. It's a nice size, it's not huge, but I like that it's in a tube. I really like that. I think products went in a jar, not this one in particular because this one has a dispenser, but if it doesn't have this dispenser, I think putting your fingers on it, it contaminates the product a lot. So I appreciate that this one is in this tube and it has 50 milliliters or 1.7 fluid ounces, so it's a decent medium-sized product. It is a little bit expensive, but this is a good brand. The next product is this product by the brand Seattle London. This is a Dewy Stick in Glow. This is $26. And these kind of products go under your foundation to make it look glowy. I don't know why they will send me this if they know I have a combination skin. I think this is beautiful for dry or normal skin girls. I get dewy by myself. I don't need anything like this. So this is directly going for a giveaway. The next product is this one by the brand Illuminasqua Hydrating Veil Primer. This is worth $45. This is huge. Man, so expensive. Like, no, the product is not huge. It's just super expensive. I'm not gonna even open it because I'm gonna be adding this for a future giveaway. Again, this is $45. Expensive. I don't think it's worth $45. It says it is a hydrator and primer. It moisturizes your skin in one step. It's a clear formula that it dries very quickly. It is perfect and a step before foundation. Obviously, it's a primer. The next product is a mascara by the brand Esquiet. This is $25 and this is a very particular product. They already sent me this not too long ago, so I don't know why they're sending me this again. I think the mascara part of it is very nice, but I think this guy right here, which is a lash curler, doesn't really work. It's too small for it. So I like the mascara, but I still have my other one. I haven't finished it, so I'm gonna be adding this for a future giveaway. And let's move on now with the next product, which is this by the brand Gigi Gorgeous. This is a $25 bronzer. It looks very beautiful. Reading more information about the Gigi Gorgeous Sculpting Bronzer is named by the YouTuber personality, author, and activist Gigi Gorgeous. It's a limited edition in IPSY exclusive collection. Super beautiful. I think it's a beautiful color though. I like it. I like it. It's not too shiny, it's not too matte. It's just perfect. I like both combined. It's a nice color. I like this one. And it has a mirror too. And last but not least, the little bag. Finally, they make it bigger. Finally, I can actually use it for my cosmetics in my regular tote bag, everyday bag. This is actually a very nice one. I like everything about it. I like this, I like the colors, I like the size, I like the material. It's a very nice one. I appreciate finally they make a bigger one. Let's see what is the value of this box. We have the Murant Skin Perfecting Lotion, which is $40. We have the Seattle London Dewy Stick Glow, that is $26. We have the extremely expensive primer, $45. We have the mascara, which is $25. And we have the Gigi Gorgeous bronzer, that is $24. And it's a $160 value box. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave in the eye the Boxycharm 2.0 video for you to compare them. It's very clear to me at this point that I'd rather the Boxycharm much better than the IPSY. I don't know, it's lacking something more sophisticated when Boxycharm is giving you farsali, it's giving you those of colors, it's giving you more. It's giving me eyeshadows that are sold in Sephora, like Dominic Cosmetics. So, I mean, it has more high-end makeup in Boxycharm than in IPSY. So, for that reason, I think Boxycharm is just better than IPSY, especially this month. IPSY, if you're watching this video, I'm sorry, but you need to level up your game against Boxycharm if you want to survive this market, because Boxycharm is like doing really good. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope that it was informative for all of you, and if you like it, give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I love to make high-end makeup videos and a little bit of fashion here and there. Also make me a comment down below what of these products you like better, and what do you think about the Boxycharm and IPSY competition situation. I already give you my opinion, so just give me yours, and I will see you guys in my next video.